Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the Pulse 2 effect. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Nightclub, and then we'll be able to find the Pulse 2 effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline. And then we're going to elongate this effect to fit the entirety of the clip. And if you have a full video, you can fit it to the entire video. So now with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the atmosphere, the twist, the lateral chromatic aberration. Whew, that was a long one. The strength, the glow, and the speed. You guys can mess around with this to see what fits your effect needs. So let's take a look at it. So guys, thanks for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.